Alright, so for this tutorial, what I'll be showing you guys is basic keyboard shortcuts that you will need to know in Final Cut, as well as if you're using Google Chrome for anything. So this tutorial will just be a good walkthrough, good helper for you all to make things a little bit easier, so you don't have to click as much as into your things. So to start in Final Cut, I have this video clip here where I have this segment where I'm interviewing Jamera. And what I'm going to need to do is drag it into Final Cut and have it be and bring it in. So instead of just dragging in the whole file into your timeline here and cutting and then just trimming it, what I can do originally is finding out where I want my start point to be, and we'll call it, so we can call this be my start point, and I will just click where it needs to be. And instead of just dragging the whole thing down and then needing to trim it, I can just press I on the keyboard. That will be my start point. And then I will need an end point. So I can just scroll down towards the end and figure out where I want to end it. And then if I say that this is my end point, I'm just going to press O. And there you'll see that there's this yellow box that selects the entire video from where I said that I wanted to start to where I wanted it to end. So now that I have it, I can just bring it down into our timeline to now where I can have just it be there. So if I figured out that, you know, there's other parts that, I realize, there's still parts here where we haven't started yet. So I'm going to select here. If I want to just trim it here in the timeline, I just need to press B on the keyboard. That'll give you the blade option. You know, just click where you want to trim your video. I want to select A again on the keyboard because then I get my cursor so I can select, and then I would just backspace whatever I deleted. So there's a few keyboard shortcuts that'll help you with just regular things. Other keyboard shortcuts that are pretty useful for using a Mac device is using copy and paste. Since Macs don't use the control, they use the command button here on either side of the spacebar. So if there's something that I want to copy and paste and put into anything, what I will just need to do is select Command C to copy, Command V to paste. If I want to select all on text, it would be Command A. That's how you would do your things. So if I just wanted to take a screenshot and input this into something, I could do it by take a screenshot. I would just do Command Shift and then 4, and by doing that I'll get this plus where it has the coordinates where I can then just click, drag, and then I can have a screenshot, taking a screenshot on a Mac. I took this one clip and I want to retime it. It would be Command R, where I can have it slow down. I can speed it up. If I wanted to, I can go into custom. I can have it go into reverse if I'd like. So this is how you would retime your videos so that you can, you know, if you wanted something to go faster, you want to make it more like a time lapse, or you just wanted to play in reverse, that is how you would do it. Command R on your specific video clip to do that. As well as another keyboard shortcut that's very simple is if you wanted to play something back, instead of just having to press the play button here, you can just press the spacebar and it'll play. And then spacebar again to pause.